What's up, guys? I just got this brand new Craftsman 1.5-inch planer. From research I've done, it's shown to be one of the most inexpensive and best beginner friendly. I'm getting into woodworking now. I thought I'd give this one a try and do a quick review on it. We don't have any other planers to compare it to or any experience, but being a beginner, you see how easy it is to set up and get dialed in. One thing that I'm seeing a lot of people are liking is that these fold up. Apparently the DeWalt one and other ones, they have these trays, but they don't fold up and stay out of the way. So that's one thing. A lot of people, because I don't have a lot of space here, so as compact as I can get, the better. And end up throwing it under the CNC. I hope this thing isn't used. I don't think it is. The only thing, this spot where the dial goes right here is just rusted on the top and in the threads. But the rest of it, I mean, it's got the protective tape over the metal bed still. Oh, I don't think it's used. I think might have just been poor storage. Not going to stress it too much. Oh, I should. One video I did see is not to use this as a jointer because it will warp the bed. So that's glad I came across that one, because that was a plan of mine to be cheap. But I guess I got to save up and get a real one. Is the zero? Oh, guys, let me know in the comments. Is the zero considered? Like right there, I'm touching. So if I make that zero, go up a bit, back it off. So there's zero. Do 64th pass. Off. Plug you in. Save first. So noise test. So this piece actually worked out good, because being able to see the color change from the brown to the natural again. So forgot what it's called, but it's leaving indents here and here on both sides, which I think is why a lot of people build their own flat system for this to feed it in. I mean, it's definitely you can definitely see it and feel it, especially right here. You can see the dark line, but I mean, for the most part, I mean, it's $300. You get it on sale. It's normally like $350. I wouldn't buy it off Amazon when it's around $500 because that's stupid. You can get it at Lowe's for $350 all the time, or $300 when they're having their deal. But if you guys got any tips for me, let me know in the comments. I appreciate you watching. I'm looking for other stuff too. I need a bandsaw, drill press. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think I should look into. Other tools I should get to try and go on this journey. Appreciate you guys watching.